The searches before the crime. It has taken me a long time to understand the Google Trend Analytics, but now that I have a tentative grasp on the way Google compiles this data, I'm fairly confident that we cannot get any answers by looking at these trend results. And I am really surprised that so many reputable publications have overlooked the holes in this method of data collection as it relates to the planning of a crime. A Google spokesperson told Fox News that Google Trends is designed for understanding trends in large datasets. For topics with low or no searches, a Google Trends chart will often mix in random noise to protect people's privacy. That means that a Google Trends chart for an uncommon topic is not evidence that a search actually happened. But, I thought, if I could repeat the results, that should provide confirmation of a legitimate search, right? So I plotted the results from Fox News and People magazine, which don't match each other, and tried to recreate their data. No luck. Just like Fox News and People magazine got different results, I too got sporadic and senseless data spikes regarding Google searches for Nancy Guthrie prior to the abduction/murder. Do you have experience with Google Trends data, and if so, do you think there is value in these pre-crime trends? I am not an expert in statistics or data compilation, but I think we can completely throw out Google Trends as a resource for solving this crime. I'm not putting any weight to the reports of Google searches out of Colorado or Algeria or any other random locale that was identified by the data. This doesn't mean that there weren't searches for the victim, her family, her address, or her finances. But our ability to pinpoint a relevant and specific search using trend analytics just doesn't seem possible. Do you think Google is working with the FBI to track actual public search evidence rather than trend data? I hope so for the sake of this case, but the implications for our collective privacy aren't great. Just like Google magically uncovering lost Nest footage, it's proved beneficial in this instance, but I don't really want Google collecting my movements and searches, Big Brother style, without my permission. Am I misunderstanding their role in this? Do you still see value in the Google Trends data? My biggest question is why the huge increase in Google searches for Nancy's info and the Guthries prior to her disappearance. How long was this planned, and of course who was behind it? Would love your thoughts and opinions. Thanks everyone.